Battery upgrade update. Let's go. Hey everybody, No Gas Nico here. Welcome to the channel. I have a update for you on the battery upgrade for the 2013 Nissan Leaf. And yes, the battery is going to arrive any day now. Let me show you something. Let's move this out of the way so you can see here that it is scheduled to leave North Lake, Illinois at 3 o'clock this afternoon, which is in about an hour and 15 minutes from now. So that means this should be in my area by tonight. So I'm expecting this tomorrow. I'm expecting to get the battery delivered here at my residence tomorrow. So that's an update for you. And if you're new to the channel, go back and look at the whole series. I'm going to take a 2013 Nissan Leaf with a 24 kilowatt hour degraded battery, and I'm going to pull the modules out, put modules in, then make it a 50 kilowatt hour, make it a 180 to 200 mile car versus a 40 to 50 mile car. All right, stay tuned. Look for updates because I am going to be doing a delivery video. I'm going to do an unboxing video, do some diagnostics, take some voltage readings on the modules themselves, and I'm going to put all of that on this channel. So don't forget to subscribe, check it out. I'm even going to film how I lower the battery, get the battery out of the car, and disassemble it and repack it. So all of that's going to be documented. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow along. Maybe you want to do this with your battery. Who knows? Hopefully this will give you confidence to do it. Okay, talk to you guys soon. Best wishes, and God bless.